Over him, I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be starting another 10 looks using one palette series. In this series, I'm going to be highlighting the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This is my only palette from Urban Decay. I've never bought any other palette from them. I don't know how, but I never have. This palette is beautiful. It has a ton of good neutral colors, but then it also has pops of color that are beautiful. I mean, these are really pretty. This palette is gorgeous. This one, when it came out, I was like, I'm gonna buy that one. I know I'm gonna buy that one. And I did. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be starting another 10 looks using one palette series. So I have my brows on. I'm just going to prime with concealer. I'm using the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. I always prime my eyes with concealer. I don't think I've ever like really used an eyeshadow primer, but I'm excited. This palette is so cute. It has like colors, but they're toned down colors and very wearable. Someone in the comments suggested that I should do the original Naked palette, but they got rid of that and I could never find it. Like, I couldn't find it online. When I tried to find it, it was out of stock. So I'm just gonna set this concealer with some powder. I knew when I bought this palette that I was gonna want to do a 10 look series with this palette. It just speaks to me. It's so pretty. Okay, so my brows are on, eyes are primed, ready to go. A lot of my brushes are dirty, like a lot. Like I probably should have washed them before filming today, but so we're gonna be grabbing all these random ones. So basically a lot of my favorite brushes are dirty, so we're just gonna be going for it. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. Okay, so I think I'm gonna pick up Weekender first. Tap off that excess. This is a BH Cosmetics number 7 brush, and I'm gonna lay that down as a transition shade right above the crease. It's very light, so I doubt you'll be able to see it, but makes a good base for blending those colors. I like this little zit right there that decided to make an appearance in the most awkward spot ever. So annoying. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go for a neutral eye look today, just very chill before I jump into fun colors, but there are 9 more looks where I can do some fun colors in those. So on this same brush, I'm picking up Riff, and I'm gonna work that into the crease and blending that up into that transition color. These colors are blending so pretty. I've noticed that every time I've used this palette is that they blend beautifully. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe M573. I'm going to pick up Good as Gone. I feel like they need one more medium tone brown in here. So they have 2 really dark ones. I think they need one in between that, because look how dark this is. It's like a brown black. But I'm just very lightly, I really tapped off my brush and I'm just lightly adding color and building that up into the outer corner. For me, what works best is I will just pack on the color like that, where it looks like a crazy mess. See, that looks black. That is crazy, because really it looks very brown in the palette. So I'll just kind of place it on the outer V like that. And then I go in and blend it out after I get that color concentrated where I want it. Yeah, this is a weird shade. It really looks black on the eyes, but then if you look at it right there, it is very brown. That's super weird. Okay, so like that, looking like a mess. And then I'll take that first brush, usually that I was using, and lightly blend out that color, dragging it all the way into the crease. I don't know if that was the right color to go with. It looks like it's a little patchy right there where my eye, because I have hooded eyes, where that crease is. But I feel like that's my eye and not the shadow. So I'm just picking up a little bit of that shade on that first brush to help build up that color and blend it out. Yeah, see, I can't get that little patch to go away, so just ignore that. That's my eye. That is for sure my eye's fault. I keep like hunching and I'm sorry. I need to like be better at sitting up. I think I'm gonna take Smog on a packing brush and spray that. It's kind of a weird tone. I feel like it'll look cool next to Good Is Gone. But I'm gonna take that on a packing brush and spray that and pack that all over the inner corner. I was like trying to go very like light and easy and like neutral, and then it ended up being like this smoky eye. Isn't that always the case though? What an interesting shade. I just picked that up on a packing brush. It doesn't have any words on it, so I don't know. It's probably from Wish. And then taking that first brush again and blending over those edges. I'm just gonna clean up any of that fallout. I don't know, that color just is not looking good. Let me try. I'm gonna take this Morphe E17 and pick up Punk, which is like a deep brown. And I'm going to build that up on the outer corner and just try to get that to look a little less patchy. And just a little bit into the crease. Wow, it just really is not gonna let me fix this. I feel like that helped a little bit. Still looks pretty patchy just right there, but I honestly think that that's my eye, because that's literally like right where I have a crease, like the main crease in my eye. I really think that's my fault. That's just my eyes. First, I'm gonna take a highlight shade out of my contour palette and clean up under my brows. I'm just using the Lorac Pro Contour Palette to clean that up. I hate when I forget to clean up under my brows, because it does make a big difference. And I just took that on a brush that I got off of Wish. And then I'm gonna take this little concealer brush, Zoraya, I don't know what that brand is, and take Breakaway and put that right under the arch of my brow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup, put on lashes and everything, and I will be back to finish up the eyes. Okay guys, so I finished up the rest of my makeup. I just did like a ranty, chatty, literally talked the entire time I was doing my makeup video. So if you want to see that, it will be coming up next. But I'm gonna finish up the eyes really quick. I like literally did not stop talking. That was insane. And I feel like I talked about nothing. Don't you hate it when all your like favorite brushes are dirty and you're like, well, what am I supposed to do? Okay, I'm gonna take a definer brush. This is actually a slanted one, but I mean it does the same thing. So I'm gonna take Punk. This is from Wish, and I'm just gonna put that right next to the waterline, and I'm gonna leave the very inner corner bare. Then I'm gonna take this Morphe E18 and pick up Riff, and I'm just gonna smoke that out. Pretty simple on the lower lash line today. Then I'm gonna take another little packing brush and pick up Breakaway, which is that same one I put right under the brow, and put that on the inner corner, and I did drag that down and up a little bit. And then I'm gonna take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in 0 and put that on the waterline. If you wanted to brighten your eyes and make it less smoky, you could go in with a nude or a white, and that would look really good too. Then I'm just going to pop on mascara. This is the Jordana Best Lash Extreme Mascara. I'm really trying to go through and use these up so I can start using the ones I haven't even opened yet. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. This is look number 1 in my 10 looks using one palette series. And in this one, I feel like this is season 6 or it might be season 7. I feel like this is season 6. I'm not 100% sure though. I am super excited to be highlighting this palette in my next 10 looks using one palette series. Like I said, this is my first Urban Decay palette. I've never bought any of their other palettes. I don't know why. None of them have really spoken to me until this one, and then I saw this one and I was like, I need that. So I'm super excited that I got it. I can't wait to come up with 9 more looks using this palette, and I'm sure a ton more because I do use this palette quite a bit. Let me know if you have this palette, and let me know if you have any color combos that you want me to try out using this palette. Go ahead and leave that in a comment down below. My super chatty, ranty, random video will be coming up next where I finished up the rest of my makeup, so if you want to see that, it'll be the next video coming up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you're excited for another 10 looks using one palette series. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. I post 3 every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.